Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Bow Trail, Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at the brand new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 with the Trail Boss trim. This big lifted beautiful truck is powered by that 5.3 liter V8 mated to the new 10-speed automatic transmission. Once up into the interior of this big nice truck, we do have right on the door here power windows as well as the mirrors, electronic parking brake, push button there, trailer select modes, 4x4, and all your lighting options here as well. Moving to the steering wheel, leather wrapped and heated. You have that beautiful blacked out Chevy bow tie in the center, cruise control buttons on your left side, as well as your dash controls and speak to talk on the right. Moving to the odometer here, only 9 kilometers on the truck. It is brand new. Jet black leather interior, wood grain throughout, and the gray stitching or silver stitching. Push button start. This truck does have the 8-inch touchscreen for your audio, nav, and climate controls, as well as all the physical buttons here. You do have the heated front seats as well. Parking assist, auto stop start, tailgate drop, traction control. You do have 110 outlet volt in the bed, which is activated through the button up here, as well as the integrated trailer braking system. There, you do have the dual USB outlets, as well as the 12-volt outlet up here. Dual glove boxes, as well as the wood grain trim there. Premium Bose audio system, and you do have the leather seats here. Beautiful stitching, very comfortable seats, as well as they are very easy to keep nice and clean. Moving on to the exterior of this beautiful Trail Boss, we do have those 18-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful blacked out wheels, as well with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack tires on them, very off-road oriented, as this is a Trail Boss, so it is factory lifted, 2 inches in the front and an inch in the rear. You do have those running boards on them along the cab of the truck there too, off-road style Silverado running boards, blacked out as well. You have the black rear and front bumpers and the door handles and the trim around the windows to match the black and white theme. You have LED headlights as well as the LED tail lights and the easy drop tailgate, nice and light. When you pick it up, it only feels like it weighs a couple pounds. It is quite amazing. You do have the hitch protruding out of the rear bumper there as well. As mentioned before, this truck is ready to tow right off the lot. Back into the interior here, this truck is a crew cab, so it does have the extra leg room in the back here. You have a 60/40 leather split seat, as well as those beautiful custom rubberized flooring to keep your carpets nice and clean inside your new truck. You do have the dual USB outlets to charge up anything back here as well, and that beautiful extra headroom for any tall passengers traveling in the back of your truck. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around video on this brand new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss. Hope you come down and take it for a test drive down at GSL GM City, 1720 Bow Trail, Southwest.